In this video, we're showing our current top 5 favorite Checklist Pro solutions for this year, 2023. This list continues to change as customers find new and creative ways to solve business problems using Checklist Pro. Number 5, a workflow assignment catalog item. The business case was to give an organization a flexible means to complete work assignments and allow work assignments to meander from group to group if necessary, even groups that are non-ITIL, non-fulfillers. This provides organizations a dynamic, flexible work tracking tool that can engage with every group in the organization without converting non-fulfiller types into fulfillers. It also prevents inappropriate uses of ServiceNow applications like creating incidents for tracking work, which happens too often, and which also limits who can complete the work, i.e. only fulfillers can be assigned incidents. Employees use the work assignment catalog item to initiate a job. The assigned group can be a fulfiller group creating a catalog task or a non-fulfiller group creating a checklist assignment. Either way, a checklist is present on the record, allowing the assigned group to be reassigned to a different group if necessary, allowing for more work to continue and for instructions for the subsequent group to be added. Attachments can be added as well, and these attachments follow from one work assignment to the next for easy access. The history of all the work is contained within the RITM, catalog tasks to fulfillers, and checklist assignments to non-fulfiller groups. Number 4, Manage Employee Audit. This is a very practical app that any organization could use. It helps with data stewardship, keeping foundational ServiceNow platform data up to date. A scheduled job runs to create checklist assignments for all managers of employees to review their list of employees and to add, remove as necessary. From the service portal, all managers can see when they have a checklist assignment, as there's a convenient Checklist Pro menu option for any open checklist assignment assigned to you or to one of your groups. Managers review the checklist showing all the employees they are managing and can uncheck those employees they are not managing and add additional employees if they are managing them. Once they are satisfied with their list of employees is correct, they click the Approve button and the list of selected employees will have their user record reflect that they are managed by this manager. Number 3, Cybersecurity Assessment. This package highlights several commonly used Checklist Pro features: checklists on service catalog items and checklists on approval records. Why a checklist versus a catalog item variable? Because out of the box, checklists that go on approval requests can be editable by these approvers, and this gives the reviewers/approvers the option to qualify what they are approving. It's not just a rubber stamp on everything that was asked. Checklist Pro also allows for an easy configurable means to instruct your approvers what criteria they should use for approving versus rejecting. This particular cyber assessment app was built as a no-code app with the customer, live in a meeting in 30 minutes. It also illustrates the transparency benefits of the checklist with the dashboard and reports that highlight how Checklist Pro data can be viewed and analyzed like any other ServiceNow table data. Number 2, Group Member Audit. This is another very practical app that every ServiceNow customer could use. Data stewardship is always important. In this package, we leverage Checklist Pro to build a checklist of all active group members in ServiceNow groups and assign each group manager a checklist assignment to review and update their group members. Checklists are intuitive. People get them. The group manager can quickly see all the members currently in their group and decide if the member should remain or should go, either by leaving the group member checked or unchecking them to have them removed. If they need to add new members to the group, they just pick the new person with the checklist selector and click the checklist button to have them added to the group. All leveraging the easy-to-follow checklists. Once they're done, the group manager can approve and the group is updated. If they reject, the group and its members remain as they were. Number 1. Role-Based Entitlement Access Management, otherwise known as RB. This is Tiger's other ServiceNow store application, which is built on Checklist Pro. It's an identity, governance, and administration app that allows customers to decide which entitlements, systems, or even physical locations they wish to track access for, who has that access, and, using Checklist Pro, track what type of access by representing the roles or privileges as a checklist. This Checklist Pro solution has been used in highly regulated environments such as NERC CIP to know exactly who has what type of access, when it was requested, when it was granted, and who approved it. A particularly valuable use case for this was for a customer managing Oracle financials. They needed to know who had what type of access within the organization. Checklist Pro modeled all the Oracle financial roles, and coupled with a workflow with approvals, various teams gained the oversight necessary to prevent conflicts of interest from occurring, such as someone having roles or privileges to create a new vendor and at the same time having the role or privilege necessary to pay that vendor. This would be a conflict of interest. Again, another case of a checklist on an approval request that allowed the reviewer to catch and prevent these situations on the fly. So there's our top 5 list of favorite Checklist Pro solutions this year. All but RBeam are freely available to any Checklist Pro customer. RBeam is a premium app and can be purchased in the ServiceNow store.